Here I've got SHARP B10 and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first, let's open the browser that you are using. In my case, it's Google Chrome. Then tap on the More icon, which is 3 dots one, located in the right upper corner, and then go to History. Here you will notice Clear Browsing Data tab. Just click on it, and now you can pick either Basic or Advanced functions. So as you can see, in Basic you will find browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files, and then in Advanced you can choose also saved passwords, out-of-in from data, site settings, and also media licenses. Obviously, you don't have to mark them at all, or you can pick all of them. It's all up to you. For example, you can still leave out-of-in from data, but I would like to fully remove data from my browser, and finally just pick the time range. So click on over here, and now select if you would like to wipe data from last hour, last 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time, and this is what I would like to choose, and click on Clear Data then. Wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. As you can see, there is no history here, and now you can create it from the beginning. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.